Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Ibrahim Qureshi. I am a student at Rehan School, Islamabad campus, RSIF 8. Today I want to talk about something that lives inside all of us: dreams and curiosity. These two powerful forces have the ability to change not only our lives but the entire world. Dreams give us direction and motivate us to achieve our goals, while curiosity helps us learn, explore, and find ways to reach those dreams. Together, they create a powerful combination for success. In the end, remember this: a dream without curiosity is just a wish, but a dream with curiosity becomes a journey toward success.